Hi, my name is Tisha, and today I'll be teaching you about two things in Keynote: color adjust and adding shapes. So how you add a shape is you go onto a slide and you press the plus at the top and it'll bring you here. So when it brings you here, you'll see four options. These options, which you'll automatically be on: graphs, charts, and shapes. So to get a shape, you need to go to shapes, and you can choose anything you want from all of these shapes. And if you can't find something you really want, you can just type it. Like, I want to find a star. And it gives you all the options that it has with star. And to add the shape, you simply tap on it. Or if you don't want to tap on it, just hold it and drag it on. There's two ways, and to change the look and size of your shape, you just need to tap the paintbrush. The paintbrush is to change how the text in it is, and to add text, you simply double tap it and type anything you want. But it needs to be big enough to read the text if it's too much. If you don't want the shape, tap it and delete it. And if you really like the shape, then you simply need to tap it and add the shapes. And then when you go there and you go to My Shapes, it'll bring you to all the shapes you have. If you don't like anything on your screen, just tap the empty part of the screen, press Select All, and delete. Now, if you want to change how big your shape is, you just need to tap one of the blue dots and drag it upwards. And if you reach the top of the screen, just drag it downwards. These ones are the same thing. They make it bigger and smaller. And yeah, now color adjust. Color adjust is really cool. My friend and I found out about color adjust last year, and we used it a lot since then. So how you use color adjust is really easy, actually. And you can do it with shapes and colors. So first, add a shape. I'm going to choose an animal. And when I go to animals, I can't find the animal I'm looking for. So I'm going to tap the search bar and I'm going to search up the animal I want. And there's lots of different types of them. So I'm going to choose this one. Once I made it big or small and changed it to my preference, I just need to press the paintbrush next to the plus where you add the shape, and it'll bring you to the text. The text, as I told you, is just you double tap and type anything you want on your shape, and it'll just appear. And if you want to change the appearance of that text, you just tap on the object and go to text, and you can change how it looks or the color of it. You can change all of these different things. And now, to use color adjust, if you don't like any of these colors, which are actually really nice, you have to go to color and then just swipe right. It's really easy. But if you really like this color and you want to change it to something lighter, but these ones are too light, then just go to the color you want. I like this one. And it's a bit too black, so I'm going to change it to 100% with no black at all and make it a little lighter. And now it's a color you couldn't have found on the grid. So it's just, color adjust is just changing the color to your preference. And to do it on a drawing, you just need to add a slide, or you can do it on the same slide, but I'm going to do a different one. And you go to the picture, It's next to the shape, so it's kind of easy to find. And it's the first one you'll go on. You need to press drawing, which is one of the last options. And you need to go to this little colored dot at the bottom. It's rainbow at first, and then when you choose a color, it becomes that color. So it's the exact same thing as doing it on a shape. So I like this color, but I want it to be a little more green. So I just put it to the green and put it here. Make it 100% and make it a little lighter. And then my pen will have the exact color I want. And if you really like that color but you want to change it to another color and then use that color again, it'll be there right at the front where you used it. It goes in order, but it only keeps 5 colors there. And the really cool part about the color adjust is that you can use it to take colors off of your screen. Like, example, a picture. I'll just choose a random picture, like this one, while we wait for it to load. Okay. So you can just add a drawing. And I really like the purple on the girl's hairband. So I'm going to just go here and use the little pin dropper. And I just need to drag it across the screen to find a color that I really like. And then the color of my pen is changing. Can you see? Look at the pen over here. It's changing to whatever color I like. And I really like this purple. So now it's the exact same color as this purple on the girl's hairband. So isn't color just really cool? Now you try.